AEM fuel pump. Give it a good clean up around coolant pipe which runs. Right guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today's going to be a good one. We've got the Zafira VXR Polo in. Today we're going to be fitting an in-tank AEM fuel pump. Right, just a little thing on these. Obviously you can see it's the green cap one. These are good for running all types of fuel. It runs ethanol, it can run basically whatever it can do, but obviously the black ones, the black lid ones, they are just strictly for fuel. You can't run anything like ethanol, so if you are looking to upgrade one day to get ethanol in or anything, you will have to change that for the green cap one. But right, what I'll do is quickly show you a little preview of what we got to do. Let's grab the old torch off of here. Right, so basically we're going to start off with lowering the tank. Now on these, on the Zafiras, they're not quite the same as the Astras. They haven't got the hole in the floor pan in the back seat basically for taking out the fuel pump. So basically what we got to do on this is we're going to remove the exhaust centre pipe, get the tank down and start getting the pump out basically. But that's what you got to do on the old Zafiras. Yeah, they've got the 7-seaters in these, so that you can't get through the floor bit, which is a bit of a pain. So yeah, just going to do a little video of how to do the intake fuel in-tank fuel pump, shall I say. We've got to do water pipes, we're going to do the thermostat as well on it, and a couple other water hoses. So yeah, hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed yet, please do. It just helps out. fuel pump's all in now, that's all done. Just a quick one as well, that if you are deciding to do one of these, before you take the pump lid off, basically, just give it a good clean up around here, just to make sure you get no bits of mud and all that lot inside the fuel tank, basically, and clogging it all up. Just a little thing for you. They are quite easy, straight fit, as you can see. There was no messing about, just one in, one out, one in, sort of thing. So right, now we've got to move on, put it all back into the car. Right, now everything's all done now, and yeah, hope you all enjoyed, and catch you on the next one, guys. See you all soon.